All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Pepe family. Happy December. This is the first update for Pepe for the month of December. And yeah, the last month was the biggest month in the crypto space for the year of 2024. A lot has happened. I'm sure a lot of people are excited. And of course, December generally brings a lot of excitement, not just crypto related. I'm just talking in general. December is such a fun month, excitement all around the world, holiday season. And yeah, the market in return is also kind of picking up, which of course is just a perfect time right now. So let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe, what we could be expecting going into this first week. Sunday did start off on a really positive note. Despite some coins down right now, you're still seeing a lot of coins holding on to their momentum. XRP is up 12.3%. If you watch my XRP update, you guys know what's going on. HBAR up 20%. Pepe started off on a really positive note, currently sitting at 7% in USD comparable. Let's take a closer look and see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the price, 21.96, up 7.1% in USD, also up 7.1% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. But the market cap is what I want you guys to focus on. The market cap is back above $9 billion, to be exact, $9.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 5.3 billion, which of course is also picking up. As far as the holder count is concerned, 335,800 holders. Day by day, the holder count is increasing, which is really crazy to see. But before we get into the update, just want to kind of give you guys a quick, I just want you guys to take 2 seconds out of your time, go in the link in the description box below, and follow my second channel, ZX Post. I'm planning on doing something completely different on this channel. So, please hit that red subscribe button, and that is my second channel. So, link in the description box below. If you're looking at the price of Pepe, we're going to kind of hold off on that. I want you guys to take a look at the broader meme coin market, 135.1 billion. Shiba Inu is up 14.9%. It's actually having some big moves right now. So, remember that battle that I was talking about? I still do believe it or not, that Pepe will take over Shiba Inu. But great day for anyone that's holding Shiba in their portfolio, up 15%. But if you're looking across the board, the big boys are actually carrying the gains right now. Look at it. The top 10, there's double-digit gainers. Brett is one of them. Shiba Inu is one of them. Pepe is almost at a double-digit gain. So you guys get the idea. It's not just Pepe that's moving up. A lot of these meme coins are moving up. And speaking about meme coins, if you've been focusing on the crypto markets over the course of the last, I would say, 2 weeks now, you did start seeing Pepe and the likes of all of these meme coins really exploding at the beginning of November after the elections were done. Then you started to see them stay stagnant. You started to see a lot of utility projects have their time. Look at XRP, look at Algorand, look at HBAR. You guys get the idea. But are we about to see a round two of this happening? Because of course, dominance is going down like never before. I'm sure if you watched some of my other updates, you guys know what's happening. Dominance is pulling down really sharply, and that is a very interesting thing to be looking at right now. A lot of people talking about whether we're going to see an altcoin rally occurring soon. Again, I don't write it off because of the fact what's happening right now. Even though Bitcoin has seen volatility over the course of the last few days, we saw major shakeouts, fake outs, whatever you want to call it. Dominance did not budge. Dominance actually went down, which is a very interesting thing that we need to be looking at. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, it's making its way back above $97,000 today. Great. As you guys know, on this channel, I was talking about that $96,000, in this level, when we retested the 90K, I said, 96 is a very important level to get back above, and that's exactly where we're hovering right now. So as far as Bitcoin price is concerned, it is good. Now, obviously, in terms of confirmation about an altcoin rally or a meme coin rally, looks like we're actually more likely than ever going to see that, because if you're looking at the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin has been fluctuating. You can see Bitcoin has fluctuated quite a bit, but dominance actually did not even go up. And if Bitcoin once again retests the likes of $99,000 and still we don't see Bitcoin dominance budging, I think this could be a biggest sign that we're about to see an altcoin rally occurring. But if you're looking at Pepe right now on the daily time frame, again, going back to what I said to you guys before, after having a run like this, you need to see a project find a ground for itself, and that's exactly what Pepe was able to achieve. So that's a great, of course, but you don't need to be expert in technical analysis to tell that this is a beautiful looking chart. You guys can see beautiful. So original, sorry here, let's kind of get rid of this because it's gonna confuse everyone. Original spike, consolidation, spike, consolidation, spike, consolidation, and spike. But this time around, what has changed compared to times like this, especially times like here, is that the dominance is actually pulling down. So this could really be a big thing. So if dominance continues to go down and Bitcoin goes up, we could actually start heading towards all-time highs for Pepe much faster than a lot of people think. Because I want you guys to look at it from, this is a daily time frame, but I'll show you guys the hourly time frame to really make you guys understand what's happening. So look at this, a beautiful consolidation phase. We did come to that retest down to that previous all-time high support at the 1735, which we spoke about. If you had some buy orders placed in around there, as I've told you guys before, obviously key resistances or supports are levels where people look for entries. And if you entered or had your buy orders placed and they got filled, you did see Pepe go up 33. You can't make this up, 33.5% in just a matter of a few days. We're not even talking months, just a matter of a few days. And look where the price of Pepe came up to, guys. Remember what I was talking about, the 23-ish zone? That's exactly where we're kind of getting stopped by. But the previous, resistance is coming as a support. So obviously, if this is able to close, the daily candle today above the 2200 zone, that would give me a huge indication that Pepe's price could start heading towards all-time highs. We're only about 17% away for us to reach an all-time high. So, once we do reach an all-time high, remember, price discovery mode, no resistances, no support, it just depends on the demand. And, based off of the price discovery mode, the beauty of this is that, the more, it enters in the price discovery mode, the higher chance of it going up quite fast. And I think this could actually start battling it out with the Shiba Inu, level. Shiba Inu is not, close to its all-time highs right now. So, this is where, I personally think that, Pepe could outpace Shiba Inu and actually take over that second spot. And I think that is coming sooner than a lot of people think, because honestly, right now, if you kind of look project to project, at the end of the day, none of them, I don't care about I'm sorry, in terms of mass adoption utility that these meme coins don't offer. It's just like supply and demand factor. People like having meme coins in their portfolio, but if you're telling me here that these coins are here to change the world, no, it's basically supply and demand, and you don't want to get emotionally attached to any of these coins, because 99.9% of the time, 99.99% of these meme coins will go to zero. I'm very confident about that. They're going to go to zero. I'm not saying Pepe is going to go to zero, or Shiba Inu. Of course, Shiba Inu has been here still to this day. Dogecoin, of course, is here still. But what I'm saying is they will go down quite substantially once this bull market is over. No one thought that back in the previous cycle as well, Shiba Inu cycle, nor Dogecoin cycle. But look what happened. They went down quite substantially. So are we thinking that people are not going to lock in profits for the likes of Pepe or some of these other meme coins? Absolutely not. But in the upcoming months, though, I do expect that flipping to happen and excitement to come for the broader crypto space. But that does not mean that you don't want to be locking in profits just blindly going into this bull market. You want to have an exit strategy in place where you lock your profits in. I cannot stress this enough, especially if you've been buying early on. But so far so good. I have my eyes on the daily close at the 2202 zone. If it's able to do that, I think more upside coming for Pepe. Love each and every one of you guys. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later. Do not forget to subscribe to ZX Post. And yeah, we'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.